Because you can't get to the spiritual world unless you're totally pure. There's not one iota of envy. There's no such thing as minute envy still lingering in the jiva, or minute material desire. As long as there's any minuscule, minute, or infinitesimal independent desire, or desire to enjoy, then we don't make it. We don't get to the spiritual world. So that should be clear. It's not a definite position. It's not a border. The Jiva Shaktis are just called Tatastha, Radharani. Tatastha as a description of their type of their position. They're not in the material world, they're not in the spiritual world. But it's not a plane, it's not a planet. There's no Tatastha region. It's just a way, ontological terminology. It's a way to describe the Jiva's position.